Hey, good morning, good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's video. We are going to discuss about CRM Salesforce consultant role in Tech Careers 101. Let's get started. Who is Salesforce consultant? What is CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. Salesforce is a leading company with the CRM product. So, for this context, we are going to talk about Salesforce consultant as a proxy to the CRM. Right, CRM consultant. Instead of CRM consultant, we will be more specific on the Salesforce, just to get used to what is happening in this industry and what this role offers for any person who wants to pursue a career in the CRM or slash Salesforce consultant. Who is Salesforce consultant? Developing a Salesforce solution, configuring the system, ensuring a successful adoption among users. Salesforce products are the one of the first products who offered their solution only on the cloud. People cannot install their software in any organization in their premises on their servers. They just need to use only the cloud based modules of the Salesforce. So, in a way, they are the pioneers and the leaders in the CRM space. I think they are having around more 60 to 70% of the CRM market space. And if you want to become a Salesforce consultant, in this there are two paths. One is functional and another is a technical path for the Salesforce. If you want to pursue as a functional path, you you will be more involved in configuring, customizing, understanding the existing CRM solution. If the client or the organization where you are planning to implement have that solution, if not, if there is a paper-based process, you will try to automate it by looking the existing process or existing system versus what Salesforce is offering. So there are different products in the Salesforce. One is a sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud. There are these kind of different products, and any organization generally will start with one of the products like service cloud or sales cloud. First they customize it and they try to implement it with the help of functional consultants and technical consultants. The deliverables from the Salesforce consultant are documentation, if they are functional consultants, documentation, what is the gap analysis, what are the requirements, and what is the acceptance criteria. If they are technical consultants, customized, writing the custom code, development, and changing the UI landscape, user interface landscape, and deploying it, testing it, and validating it. The average salary of a Salesforce consultant in the United States is around $85,000 per year. In India, around 12 lakh rupees. As a senior consultant, this person mentors the junior Salesforce consultants, and they will have more than one module experience in the Salesforce, such as Salesforce Administrator, Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud. CPQ is also an advanced module, one of the advanced modules in the Salesforce. They acquired MuleSoft for the integrations. They acquired Slack for communication. It is like Microsoft Teams. So a senior consultant will have broad understanding and might have worked at least in full two implementations of the Salesforce. Full implementation means right from the requirements to the implementation and support and training the users or developers. The deliverables are complex Apex and Lightning framework are the programming, UI programming artifacts from Salesforce, and documentation and training for the functional folks. The average salary for senior consultant around $100,000 in the United States and 20 lakh rupees in Indian currency. This is an average salary and based on the location. The lead Salesforce consultant is a top level expert who not only have the deep understanding of the Salesforce but also good leadership qualities such as effective communication, coaching, mentoring, hiring, training the folks, and some little bit project management experience and mentorship and relationship management with the client, competing priorities, tough deadlines. So they will have, if they have this experience, they will be very successful in this role. The average salary in the United States around $130,000 per year, in India around 25 lakh rupees. A Salesforce consultant, he is the expert in the Salesforce ecosystem. They not only knows the Salesforce, they know the other integrations with Salesforce, such as ERPs or any other homegrown applications which are developed using Java or Python, any .NET programming languages, so that they can look at the current landscape of any organization, and they can see where this Salesforce product or solution fit in their technical ecosystem for a smoother implementation. So there is one more product line called Salesforce DX, which is a continuous integration and delivery. When a developer performs the customizations and deploys the code, uh, they should be able to automate that process. So if a architect is having this kind of experience, that will be really useful for the successful Salesforce implementation. The deliverables from say architect, Salesforce architect include a lot of diagrams and collaboration and explanation with other team members, working with other architects if they have any in the organization, like security, integration, infrastructure, and enterprise architect. The average salary around $150,000 in the United States per year, and in India around 35 lakhs. So just to wrap it up, a Salesforce consultant is an expert who knows the Salesforce ecosystem pretty well, and they progress as senior consultant and lead consultant and as an architect. So if you are looking for a rewarding and progressive and highly dynamic career with some travel engagements, so this is one of the good career paths I recommend to anyone. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you learned something. Looking forward to talk to you in my next video. Bye for now.